Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Residents of Mumbai Housing Society alleged vaccination scam. Suspect they were given fake COVID shots. Residents of a housing society in Mumbai Kandivali area claimed they were the victims of an elaborate vaccination scam in which they were given fake COVID-19 shots. As part of a vaccination camp at Hiranandani Estate Society on May 30, around 390 people received COVID shield vaccines inside the society premises. Residents stated that the facilitator Rajesh Pandey got in touch with society committee members claiming to representative of Kokilaben Ambani Hospital. The vaccination drive was coordinated by one Sanjay Gupta while a third person Mahendra Singh collected the money in cash from the society members. Hitesh Patil, a resident of the housing society, said, "My son got himself vaccinated. For each dose we paid rupees 1260. After getting the vaccine, we did not receive any messages. I would like to point out that we are not allowed to take photos or selfies while getting vaccinated." At rupees 1260 per dose and 390 people receiving the vaccine, the society paid around rupees 5 lakh to the facilitator. Suspicious arose when none of the inoculated person developed any post-jab symptoms. Another society member, Harishab Kamdar, said he was shocked there were no symptoms or side effects. We started wondering what was going on because we did not even get our certificates. We only received certificate after 10 to 15 days. However, these vaccine certificates were from different hospitals like Nanavati Lifeline, Nesco BMC Vaccination Center, etc., which further sparked doubts that something was amiss. When contacted, these hospitals denied over providing vaccines to the housing society in the question. Didn't they really lag behind vaccinating against critical diseases as claimed by PM Modi? On June 7, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India had to wait for decades before it could procure vaccines for smallpox, hepatitis B or polio. When vaccination programs ended in other countries, it would not have been begun to in our country, PM Modi said. In India today, TV spoke to numerous experts to understand whether India's vaccination drive has picked up post 2014 with Mission Indradhanush, a program launched by the BJP-led government in December 2014 to strengthen and re-energize the program and achieve full immunization coverage for all children and pregnant women at a rapid pace. Also analyzed a paper published by the Indian Council of Medical Research to understand India's history of immunization. In UP 2022, Rise and Rise of the Mercurial Monk. There is a buzz in Delhi that things are hotting up in Lucknow. The monk who became Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister 4 years ago is apparently not chanting the same hymn as Big 2 in Delhi. However, observers of power politics say there was no real possibility of replacing the monk in the most populous and political most significant state in the country. No prizes for guessing that the monk is Yogi Adityanath. Here is a look back at where he came from.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.